Here's a special video as part of the 2019 YouTube soap collaboration Wonderland. Hi soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. Here's an item that's been upgraded. Introducing Silver Tussah Silk. It's already been dissolved in my lye water when I add it to the melted oils. Then I stick blend until it reaches a light trace. The first scent I'm testing is called Sugared Apple, and I add that to one of the test batches, which is 3 cups of soap. I set 1 cup aside to test the scent without any additives, and I add buttermilk powder dispersed in oil to the remaining 2 cups. In a half a cup of soap, I'm adding my True Red mixture, which is ruby red mica and radically reddish neon, in a 2-to-1 ratio with more mica than neon. The remaining soap gets white satin mica with ice Brilliance glitter added for extra sparkle. Let's get this soap in the mold. First some of the soap with white satin mica, then the True Red. Next I add a layer of ice Brilliance glitter, which is actually a synthetic mica with a large particle size. Then the plain soap, so that I can see how the fragrance oil looks just by itself. Another layer of ice Brilliance glitter goes on next, followed by the rest of the True Red soap. And some more soap with a white satin mica. I'll do a hanger swirl with my gear tie. Any extra soap gets added on top, and I'll try to design the top without over swirling. Let's see how I do. Part of this soap collaboration was to add something that sparkles, so of course it needs a little more ice Brilliance glitter on top. And now on to my second soap, which had been sitting a bit, so I had to stir it to get it fluid again. This scent is called English Pear. The other part to this collaboration was to use some form of milk, so the buttermilk powder gets added to this portion as well. To a half a cup of the soap, I add Pear Green mica. And to the rest, I add white satin mica and ice Brilliance glitter. And again, it's time to pour. I add the soap in the same pattern that I did before. I'll do a hanger swirl in this one too. One last look before I put both of these to bed. And here's the cut soap. I hope you enjoyed the video and that you'll visit the many wonderful soap videos in this YouTube collaboration. Use the hashtag to find them all. If both of these scents cure well, I'll add them to the store. To find out more about what's added to the store, you can join Steph's Micas and More on Facebook and order online at micasandmore.com. Thanks for watching.